Peace and love to the family. This is your brother DoMo, the jack of all trades. And today we're going to be preparing organic purple cabbage and my custom-made marinara sauce. Ingredients: we have red, green, orange, yellow, purple bell peppers with purple onions, purple cabbage. So with the marinara sauce, all you need to do is, I already cut up the onions and I already cut up the peppers. As you can see, I placed them in this bag and I prepped them already. What we're going to be doing is blending them. We're going to be blending all of the peppers and the onions together. Now you don't want to blend it for too long. That's a little chop, chop, chop. We're going to be steaming the cabbage. We're not going to be cooking the cabbage. We're not going to burn the nutrients and the minerals and enzymes outside of the plant. Place the cabbage in the strainer and the water is going to get hot. What you can do is, while you do this, while you're preparing it, you can season it. So we have allspice. We have some basil, thyme, turmeric, very good for the blood, cayenne, real good for the blood, and some pink Himalaya salt. With the marinara sauce, you put some of this in here with the cabbage. That's why you mix it up. Put a little basil. Patiently wait, I would say about 15-20 minutes until it's steaming hot. And then you can dig in. Yeah, baby. Almost ready. Flush out the toxins that the body doesn't need and put in more nutrients, minerals, enzymes the body wants. Don't let it eat. Eat to live. Don't let it eat.
So what do you call this? Colorful health?
Colorful health.